everywhere is starting to get a bit back more to normal, it's a perfect time for a road trip. Whether you live a town away or many states away, you really need to hit the open road and come and see us in person. Many of you have been watching our numerous videos that we started since the pandemic began, and our goal has always been to make you feel at home, even if you're home on your couch. But we would really love for you to come and experience our beautiful shop in person if you are able. Guthrie is a really cool place. We have small town charm, and our downtown is the largest contiguous area on the National Register of Historic Places. Notably for its late Victorian, Romanesque, and Italianate style architecture. We have a candy store directly across the street from the shop. And just down the street, we have chocolate. And up on the corner, just across the street where Prairie Wolf Distillery is, it's a vodka, and I think they're doing bourbon distillery. They are opening I gotta get the name right, Mac and Ike's Good Time Saloon. It should be opening any minute now. It is beautiful, and it's going to be so cool to have them across the street. Our downtown is filled with lots of fun boutiques, antique shops, and so much more to explore, including good food. That is always on the top of my to-do list. Stables Cafe is a must-see. The dining area is filled with historic signs and garb. It's like being on an episode of Pickers. Our friend Debbie and Mark put out one heck of a spread. If you leave there hungry, I don't know what to say. With everything from barbecue, steaks, and anything you can think of in between, the menu is big and the portions are even bigger. I like to sit in the back of the tap room where you can also dine al fresco. They have a wide selection of craft beers, wine, cocktails, and I really like their margaritas. Not within walking distance, but not to be missed, is Missy's Donuts and Bakery. Their donuts are out of this world, and they make their own bread, have great sandwiches, and so much more, and they are super nice people too. Another really nice and beautiful place is the Dominion House. Originally a Masonic children's home, the campus was restored as a wedding venue that now offers boutique hotel rooms and a bistro. During summer months, you can dine in a yurt, play bocce ball. It is gorgeous inside and out, and they have really good cocktails too. The fun is coming back to Guthrie. Red Brick Nights returns June 26th. This is a bring your lawn chair community free concert with food trucks, fireworks, and so much more. Good small town fun for all. And this fall, the Pollard Theater is back on stage. You'll definitely want to catch a show there when it reopens. Hollywood has even fallen in love with Guthrie. Major motion pictures are being filmed here all the time. I've yet to run into famous Hollywood person, but give it time and we sure will. Even if you are not intrigued by the supernatural, you'll learn so much of the history and folklore of our town on a ghost walk. The tour guides are a hoot and the walks are a lot of fun. We're a rural, artsy, small town, hip, agricultural, and very diverse. No place in Oklahoma is as rich in state history as Guthrie, including Black history. Langston University, our HBCU neighbor, is just to the east. Guthrie's Excelsior Library is on the historic register as the first Black library in Oklahoma and most likely the Southwest. They're in the process of restoring that building now. Black pioneers settled in an area during the land run that's referred to as the Elbow, which is currently inaccessible, but a community group and the city are working together to restore access. I can't wait to see what they do with it. I think it's like having a little secret garden in the middle of town. Hit the road and come see us. Whether you live near or far, there's never been a better time to get out of the house and go on a crazy fun road trip. We've put together a Hit the Bricks experience package that you can enjoy by either visiting us in person, or for those of you that are unable to travel, you can enjoy it from home. Included in the package are the pattern to knit this colorful Hit the Bricks scarf inspired by our beautiful brick sidewalks and buildings, 6 mini skeins of our exclusive SWAK minis dyed in-house at Seal with a Kiss, a SWAK project bag also painted in-house, and lots of Guthrie goodies. We wish we could include a donut from Missy's, but I'm afraid you're going to have to come and enjoy that in person. You could watch us eat one virtually, but that would just be mean. Reserve your Hit the Bricks package now. These are limited edition, and when they're gone, they're gone. We can set one aside for you when you arrive or pop one in the mail for you to enjoy from afar. For more information, visit news.swaknet.com.